What is up, everybody? This is J-Train back again with another video, back with an unboxing video. And guys, right here I have the big item I told you that I was going to do an unboxing video for. Right here is an Apple MacBook Pro. Why did I decide to buy a MacBook? Well, at my job, we sometimes get in Macs, and sometimes we have to service them, and sometimes we have to use them. And I figured it'd be a good way to kind of learn how to use one. Also, I've been looking at Apple products recently and just really been intrigued by what I've seen other people on YouTube use them for, the comments that I get from people that I know who have Macs and everything. Also, I'd like to eventually, this version right here actually does not have Final Cut on it, but I will eventually put Final Cut on this and be able to work with and export 4K video. And I just don't have a mobile computing solution. I don't have a laptop. I haven't bought one in years. And here we have one right here. So really excited to do an unboxing video for this. So as you can see right here on the front, we have a picture of the MacBook Pro. You can see the side angle of it with the keyboard and with the touch bar and everything. On the bottom right here, it'll say MacBook Pro in that nice font. I bet you they paid someone a lot of money to figure out which font to make it look really good. Right here we have the Apple logo. And then on here it says MacBook Pro as well, and it's a bunch of the same. On the back, it's pretty much just a white box. It looks like it has some serial information on it, so I'm not going to show you guys that right now. But I really like the sleek design. You can hear the quality of the cardboard or whatever they use to do this box right here, and it's nice and slick. Right here, with one thing that these things are that the MacBooks are kind of known for is this little tab right here. And it kind of tells you this is how you open it and everything. So I guess let's go ahead and open it. I've been waiting weeks to do this, guys. So why don't we just go ahead and jump right into it? So here we go. I'm going to pull off the pull tab. And there we go. Didn't have to use any scissors or razor blades or anything. And just got to pull up the rest of this packaging right here. And it's just your basic cling wrap right here. Go ahead and put that on the side. And oh my goodness, guys, the moment I've been waiting for. Let's go ahead and open this puppy. And there we are. Look at this thing. Look at this. I got the space gray version right here. Tell you a little bit about the one that I got. I actually got the 1.4 gigahertz quad core. It's the one that has the LPDDR3 memory. Right now there are Macs that are going out for the LPDDR4 memory. Got 16 gigabytes of that. I also got 256 gigabytes worth of solid state storage. I figured I would not need a lot of internal storage for this. I'll just put stuff to the cloud as I'm editing stuff. I'll get rid of the raw footage and everything like that. And then this is essentially last year's model, but with a better keyboard, and we'll get into that. But also, it's got more memory or got more hard drive space to it as well. But I got space gray, and you can just take a look at this. It's really nice. It's got that signature Apple logo to it. Look at how it kind of shines in the light. It's got this nice pull tab we can use to pull it out. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. Nice and sleek. I can feel the weight. The weight kind of says something about the product as well. I mean, I don't know if that's like a mental thing, but when I feel something that kind of feels sturdy and feels heavy, I just think quality, and it's kind of what I'm getting here. But we're going to get into that in a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else we have in the box here. So the first thing you see is this charge cable here. Now, a lot of unboxings that I've seen have called this just a generic charge cable. I like it. It's if you want to be technical about it, you can call it a USB-C charging cable. And the way that you can tell it's USB-C is by this kind of connection right here. It's a connection that can go top to bottom. Unlike previous USB, you don't have to determine how you put it in. You don't have to think about that. You just go. So this is the charge cable. It's really nice. It's got this nice kind of rubbery feel to it. I believe in future MacBooks they're actually going to use threaded cable. They might do that in the higher models, but the model that I got, this is the $1,300 model. I can kind of explain to you what that means in a bit, but still feels like quality, feels nice and rubbery. I love it. Right here, another thing that kind of gets overlooked a lot of times in these unboxing videos, but I think that I want to spend some time on it, is this card that says designed by Apple in California. This is the instruction manual, and there's some goodies that come in this, but again, I mean, Apple just takes its time to think about the quality of everything that they're selling to you. I mean, if you could feel this right now, it feels like this is just nice cardstock. You know, they took time to do the the nice type font on it as well. And then if you open it up, you can just get in right here and open it up. Let me make sure there's nothing else inside. It's nice. It's got like a reinforced back right here. But right here, you got the instruction manual. You saw the other goodies that came out. I'll put those behind right now. But this is the instruction manual. Kind of tells you how to set it up. Easy setup. You know, I guess it's in multiple languages, talks to you about the touch bar and everything, tells you about MacBook Pro. The thing that I like most about these, I like the stickers that come into this. These are really cool stickers. I want to find something. I want to have an excuse to use these, but these are the, whatever one you get. If you get like the space gray, the silver, I believe the air comes in like a rose kind of color, will be the color of the sticker. Can't wait to put these on there. So there's that. Next up, we have this charging brick right here. It's a USB-C charging brick. Go ahead and you can open up the film for this. Nice and satisfying. Again, you have the nice Apple logo etched on here. You have these prongs. If you are currently, I live in the United States. If you are in a different country, like if you're in Europe, Asia, Oceania, Africa, wherever, depending on your charge specifications, this will look a lot different. But this is what it looks like in the States. Again, it's got a nice little weight to it. Feels nice and sleek. You can see a little charge port right here, where you can charge your MacBook in. So let me go ahead and put this stuff back in here and get into the meat of the operation. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Here's the MacBook. It's got a nice hard, I believe it's a aluminum surface. Again, what I got here was I got the $1,300 model, and the reason why I did that is, I've never owned a Mac before. I've never used Mac OS. I want to make sure that I enjoy using it first. I want to see if this is enough for my needs. Now, you could go ahead and get the $1,800 version like one of my friends did. His name's Double Statue. If you want to follow him on YouTube, that'd be great. I'll link him in the comments somewhere. But it comes with a 10th gen processor. This is actually 8th gen. This is an older gen Intel chip that is in here. And I don't know if you've heard the news, but Apple is actually migrating away from Intel, and they're actually going to be using and making in-house their own chips, which is a pretty big benefit, because then they can kind of, make Mac OS and everything run to their hardware specifications to optimize the experience. But it's not something I felt like I needed right now, or once I start video editing, maybe in the future I'll upgrade or something. But I just really wanted to see what the experience was like using a Mac first of all. Now I got the 13-inch version as well. I like the compactness. I don't need a huge screen. If I wanted a huge screen, I'd pretty much just use my desktop. I don't want to lug around a beast of a machine in my backpack. I think that this is a really good size for being in a coffee shop or something. So those are essentially the specs. Again, 8th gen processor, got 256 gigabytes worth of storage, and I'm using 16 gigabytes of memory, and that's mostly because I know that I'm going to eventually try to be doing some video editing for you guys on this eventually. So let's go ahead and let's pull this. Here's like what it looks like from the side and everything. Let's go ahead and pull this off real quick. Let's get this up. It's a nice satisfying sound right here. Oh yeah. There we go. It looks even more beautiful when you take that paper off. So here's the paper. Again, this paper feels like it's quality. I mean, I just from front to end, and what you'll know if you ever read like the Steve Jobs biography, that's very important to Apple. They want the entire experience to feel like quality, and I feel like that's why these laptops are so popular, because it just screams quality, and that care was taken into the design and everything. And but that's just me. Some people are not Apple marks like I've become. That's just kind of how I feel about that. So let's go ahead and put that on the side. I'll give you a side look right here. Look at that. Here's what it looks like on the bottom. It's got nice little rubber pads right here. This is the back portion of it as well. Actually, that is actually the open part of it. You use it to open it. Never mind. That's the front, because as you open it, you'll see this. Here, you see where you put in the charge cable. And on the $1,800 version, what you'll see is you'll actually see two Thunderbolt ports on here. But on this $1,300 version, they actually put the two USB-C or Lightning Thunderbolt 3 ports right here. So that's where they are. All right, let's go ahead and let's open it. I'm going to see what the best way to do it is with this angle. So here we go. Let's move this paper right here. You can see the Apple logo pop up upon booting up. Another thing I want to talk to you guys about right here is the Magic Keyboard that came with this. Now, in this generation, another thing, as I told you, is the keyboard. The keyboard is different in this version as opposed to, now this is last year's model, but the keyboard is different. And what does that mean? Well, Apple had a butterfly.
English is the main language.
Oh, she's
Press
speaking.
the return key.
She's speaking to me in English real quick. I might get her to speak in different languages, but real quick. Apple had something called the butterfly keyboard, which was very unpopular for years. Just kind of the way that the keys were like pressed and set in, just made it kind of like the key travel apparently, and everything was just not great. So they switched to, I believe, the scissor mechanism now for their keyboards, which makes key travel, the clicking, all that stuff a lot better. Also, what you'll see here is you'll see the trackpad that lights up and gives like different functionality as you're in the operating system. Another thing that happened with this generation is they put the escape key next to the trackpad. I believe in earlier versions they actually made the escape key part of the trackpad, which some people didn't necessarily like. And then of course you have your fingerprint sign on right here. So what is she asking me right here? She's asking me to choose a language. Let's see if we can go through say different languages. What does it say in Espanol?
Para usar español de Latinoamérica como el idioma principal, presiona la tecla Intro.
What about French?
Pour utiliser le français canadien comme langue principale,
It's Canadian French.
appuyez sur la touche retour.
What about, is this Russian
Чтобы
right here?
сделать русский главным языком, нажмите клавишу Return.
And what I'm getting from these speakers right now is they're really nice and clear. Let's do one more. How about Italian?
Per usare l'italiano come lingua principale, premi il tasto a capo.
That's funny. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and let's go to English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Well, okay, I'll do that. Or I'll just hit this. And then also, guys, real quick, the keypad, you can tell it's massive and it's enormous, or the trackpad. Apple is known for having like probably the gold standard trackpad when it comes to laptops and everything. And I'll let you know how I feel about it. Right as I'm using it right now, it does feel really natural. It feels really smooth. I don't really get like any kind of issue with it. I know that some YouTubers will recommend that once I'm in the OS, I'll make it a lot more sensitive and whatnot. But it's so far so good. Let's go ahead and hit next. I guess it's setting up right now. So I guess I have to pick where I'm at. Currently, I am in the United States. It's not letting me hit enter, so let's go ahead and hit that. Select Wi-Fi network. I'm not going to go ahead and do that right now, so let's click that. Are you sure you don't want to set up Wi-Fi? Yep, for right now I'm okay with that. Actually, I'm currently not at my house, so it wouldn't really matter. And then I'm going to hit continue. Okay, so now we're in data privacy. Continue. Transfer information to this Mac. Let's not do that for now. Terms and conditions. I agree. Yes, I have read and agree. Express setup. Let's go ahead and hit continue. Let's not do that for now. Oh, let's go back. I kind of skipped one. Nope. Okay, we can hit continue. I don't want to enable Siri right now. I'll hit continue. Touch ID, use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac. Let's see. Okay, so you see right here, it actually, you can see the touch bar working right now. It's really nice, actually. It doesn't look like it's like, you know, faulty or weird or anything. It looks like it's really, really natural with the pads. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, touch is ready. We'll hit continue, choose the look. I want it to be dark. Yes. There we go. I like the dark look. I mean, what do you guys think? I like the dark version a lot better. Hit continue. True tone display. Your Mac automatically adapts to ambient lighting. Yeah, let's do that. Now it'll just go ahead and set up my Mac. And we are in. That is, when you hit the dark mode, it's really cool. It'll actually just kind of already automatically go to the dark version of the wallpaper. If you chose light mode, you'd see the same image, but with like a light, like during the day kind of thing. So that's it. I might make a video of me, like what my my first month using this Mac is like and everything. You guys can tell me if you think you'd enjoy that. I'm going to go ahead and see how I like set this thing up, play with the OS a little bit. But that is the unboxing for now. My first Mac. Awesome. If you guys have a Mac and would like to tell me any kind of tips and tricks that you have for your Mac that you think I would that would benefit me, if you you know, have any other opinions on Mac or anything, if you enjoyed this unboxing video, please let me know. If you'd like to see other unboxing videos, I can't necessarily do a Mac all the time, but I can do other stuff, which you'll see soon. I have other unboxing videos. I'll have the unboxing playlist in the comments section. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about MacBooks if you have them. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and just give me some feedback. Thanks everyone for the unboxing, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.